A sales funnel is the step-by-step path that turns strangers into customers. It's one of the most powerful tools in your startup's playbook. And in this lesson, we'll walk through how to build one from scratch, tailored to your audience and product. At its core, a sales funnel has 4 key stages: awareness, interest, decision, and action, often shortened to IDA. Each stage reflects where a potential customer is in their journey, and your job is to guide them from one step to the next. Start with awareness. This is where people first hear about you. It could be through an ad, a blog post, social media, or a referral. Your goal here is visibility. Create valuable, engaging content that speaks to your audience's pain points and introduces your solution. Next is interest. Now that you have their attention, you need to keep it. This is where you educate and build trust. Offer resources like free guides, email newsletters, webinars, or product demos. Your messaging should answer their questions, overcome objections, and show them why you're worth exploring further. Then comes the decision stage. This is where a lead evaluates whether your product is the right fit. They might compare you to competitors, talk to your sales team, or read reviews. Here, your job is to offer clear value. Share testimonials, pricing options, case studies, and feature breakdowns. Make it easy to say yes. Finally, action, the moment they convert. Whether it's signing up, purchasing, or booking a call, this is your conversion point. Minimize friction. Keep the CTA simple. Remove unnecessary fields. Offer guarantees, discounts, or a risk-free trial to ease any final hesitations. To build your funnel, map out each stage and what content or tools you'll use. For awareness, it might be paid ads or SEO blog posts. For interest, lead magnets or email sequences. For decision, landing pages or comparison charts. And for action, an optimized checkout or sign-up flow. You don't need a massive budget, just clarity. Know your audience, speak to their pain, and offer value at every step. Use analytics to measure drop-off. Where are people getting stuck? Are they clicking but not converting? Signing up but not activating? Tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, and your CRM can help identify leaks in your funnel. Iterate constantly. A sales funnel isn't one and done. It's a system you tweak, test, and improve over time. Try different headlines, CTAs, email subject lines, or pricing models. The more you learn, the better your conversion rate. Automation can help. Use email sequences, CRM workflows, and lead scoring to move users through the funnel without manual work. This saves time and ensures a consistent experience. If you're B2B, your funnel might involve more touchpoints like outbound emails, qualification calls, or custom demos. If you're B2C, it might be more self-serve, focused on landing pages and onboarding flows. No matter your model, the goal is the same. Move people from, "I've never heard of this," to "I need this now." Do that by solving real problems, building trust, and making the next step clear. Let's build a funnel that fuels your startup's growth from day one.